Hello, my name is Justin Brown, and I'm going to talk about how the online tool Padlet can be very useful for lecture instruction. As I start sharing my screen here, you will see that Padlet has many tools, and for example, the timeline tool, which can be very helpful in history classes, which is what I will be teaching, because it provides timelines of important historical events like the one I have listed here, World War II. You have the beginning of the war and some important dates that happened in the war. And to add to the timeline, you click this little plus here, and a box comes up where you can type things like the date, maybe August 6th and 8th, 1945, which are the 2 days that the atomic bombs are dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which led to the Japanese surrendering on August 14th of the same year. You can add some information there, and then you have all these things you can add, such as a file or an image. You can take an image, a photo, and put it on here. You can add a link. So we're going to add an image, and as you see here, there are already pre-saved images from the other boxes. So we'll click in this, and we'll click on atomic bombing of Japan to upload. And there you see that the image uploads right on top of the box there. So this strategy can be very useful for lecturing because it allows you to create a clear image and kind of timeline, obviously, of important events for a specific topic you may be talking about in history and even other classes as well. Thank you for listening, and I hope this was helpful.